बॉलीवुड एंड ग्लैमर आप देते ही
How does it feel to be part of this event?
Amazing.
Okay.
It's just been a wonderful experience.
Tell us, ma'am, what the creation you have made. That
My creation, I would say it's very modern, very edgy, and I think women will love to wear it. It's very unique.
Well, it's been simply amazing to be part of this show, and it's been a very creatively satisfying experience as well for me. I have presented 5 designs here like the other designers, and my sources of inspiration have been, bohemian, cut glass crystal, nature, even fabrics.
you didn't choose a showstopper for your event. I mean, there was no showstopper as such.
There was Deepthi Gujral.
Okay, I mean, she's a model. But
Yes, very hot. Yeah.
what about you? You didn't choose a showstopper for the event.
Oh yes, I did. My showstopper was the last piece where I walked the ramp with the model.
Okay.
It was in pink gold, inspired by Victorian lace and pearls. Necklace and earring set.
So, what kind of exposure does this kind of event give to the designer?
I think I'm not from Bombay, so for me it has been a very good platform for me. And I did my course from Carlsbad, California, and it's been just wonderful. And exposure-wise, I would say it has, it's like you are taking my interview. There are a lot of things that.
What do you feel? What kind of exposure does this kind of event give to the designer?
See, it really allows you to be creative because when you're designing for customers, you always have to keep in mind the taste of the customers, and that has to be factored in. But when you're designing for a show like this, you can really the possibilities are limitless, really. So very creatively fulfilling.
That's right. Your name, please. You come here. We can take you.
It feels amazing. It feels very good. You get a lot of exposure, and you feel actually like a celebrity and everything. So,
What does it feel to be part of this event?
it's completely a new experience for me, and yes, it has made me make my brand launch through this GI.
Tell us something about your creation. What kind of creation is it?
This is much more inspired by the textures and color stones, like various colors. I'm truly inspired by the nature, so that's what I'm collecting in my pieces as well.
What was your creation about?
See, my creation was mostly derived from nature, inspired from nature, like feathers and delicate pearls and all that stuff. Yeah.
What kind of exposure this kind of event gives to the designer?
It's kind of the best media coverage an upcoming designer can get through this, and that is why IIGW is meant for.
So you didn't choose a famous showstopper for your event? Any no?
Maybe some other year, definitely I would bang on.
What kind of exposure does this kind of event give to you?
See, it gives you a lot of exposure because a lot of elite people and a lot of elite clients you get. And then I already got caught up with a few people calling me, giving me their cards and everything. So you get a lot of contacts. It's a very good platform to launch your jewelry. Yeah.
What kind of future plan do you have regarding the jewelry?
It's to expand my brand more and more and just get to know this industry much more. And yeah, I'm looking forward to do my individual shows at IIGW as well.
What about you?
Yeah, same here. Like in the future, I am planning to do my own show, maybe with a bag, good showstopper.
Thanks a lot.
Bollywood and glamour. We are providing the visual in the world. You can check from us, boy.
मेरा पेन क्या हो गया यार फिर से?
The correspondent